In this video, our low volume Bitcoin breakout went to our target exactly as predicted. And let's also take a quick look for Ethereum at alamin natin ano ba yung next movement niya. And look at this, and we'll also take a quick look with this big opportunity for VECHAIN in the long term. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. And yeah, ayan guys, just to give you a quick update on our Ethereum update, nag-reply na din yung nanalo sa ating raffle. And yeah, congratulations sa nanalo, and stay tuned lang kayo guys para malaman nyo kung ano yung magiging next raffle natin. So yeah, now let's dive into this video for the Bitcoin short term. So as previously mentioned, we were in this rising wedge. So a rising wedge is traditionally a bearish pattern. So it usually breaks to the downside. So in order to confirm this bearish breakout, kailangan natin ng volume. However, yun nga sabi ko sa inyo, medyo kulang yung volume nyo during this breakout. So we were expecting at some support either at the 39k level or at the 38.2k level. But look at that guys. Our target went down exactly as predicted to our level, to our support level. So makita mo na meron tayong strong bounce at this level. So right now, ano ba yung next action for Bitcoin? So for the next action kay Bitcoin, recently, fina-follow natin yung bearish divergence. But I believe now, mas malaki yung bearish divergence niya. Kasi if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, at i-plot natin yung kanyang declining RSI, nagde-decline pa din yung kanyang RSI habang yung price natin is tumataas. So this is a bearish indicator kasi guys, remember, an increasing price with a declining RSI is a signal for a trend reversal to the downside. So siguro warning lang to sa inyo guys, just in case na hinahabol nyo si Bitcoin for the short term. Remember na ingat-ingat lang kayo dito. Pero let's look at this in the daily time frame. Kasi sa daily time frame, meron tayong some good signals dito. So if you're going to follow the 100-day moving average, we have actually broken out from this 100-day moving average. So right now, I believe Bitcoin is going to consolidate within this level, between the 40k level up until, siguro maximum niya is within 44.5k level. So as of this moment, I believe Bitcoin can still play around this level and somehow remain this area. Kasi sabi natin, Bitcoin will only be out of the woods if na-break natin yung 200-day moving average, which is right now, hindi pa natin siya nakikita. It's still possible na pwede ba din tayo mag-throwback up, pabalik dito sa 100 moving average, and then somehow get that consolidation. Pero if hindi natin na-sustain si 100 moving average, then the 50-day moving average would be a crucial area to watch out for. Kasi right now, that is around the 34k level area. Pero once na tumatagal yung ating movement, you could see na tataas din yung ating 50-day moving average. And in that case, mas tataas din yung ating support natin, which is around 36k level na for the 50-day moving average. But currently, sa 100-day moving average, our current support is at the 40k level. So expect a support at the 40k level at some point. And right now, Bitcoin is overbought. So if ever na magkaroon ng correction, expect a possible correction. And yeah, if I were you, if you want to enter into any Bitcoin trade, I highly suggest na you should wait for a dip or a correction at some point. Kasi look at this, tuloy-tuloy ating green candles natin, and we have never seen a movement like this anywhere in the past. Kasi kung titingnan mo, even nung pump nung bull market, hindi naman dire-diretso na green candle siya dito. Ito siguro 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 green candles. Unlike dito, we almost had around 9 to 10 green candles, which is hindi pa tayo nakita ng ganong movement. So I believe that this is a very overbought area na. So if you want to enter into any short term, I highly suggest that you should wait for a correction before entering this Bitcoin level. So yeah, that's Bitcoin for the short term and long term. Let's now take a quick update for Ethereum. So for Ethereum, pretty much the same din. So wala, though yun nga, may volume siya pero hindi siya ganun ka-significant. I think na at some point magkakaroon tayo ng correction kasi tinan mo yung levels niya kay Ethereum. Ang laki ng inakit natin, and that's roughly around, titingnan mo siya, we went up at most 45% from our dip. So ganun kalaki yung tinaas natin kay Ethereum. But right now, hindi pa siya overbought, so possible pa din siya umakyat up to this 2.5k level, which is somehow ideal to 570 level. Pero yeah, warning lang guys na hindi pa tayo nagkakaroon ng correction. So at some point, magkakaroon din to ng correction. And if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, you would start to see na meron na tayong nagpo-form na bearish divergence. Kasi tinan mo, increasing price, and then meron din tayong declining RSI, indicating na it's possible na we are about to see a possible trend reversal anytime soon. However, so far so good pa din naman tayo sa ating long-term movement niya, which is yung double bottom pattern. And still, the technical target for this double bottom pattern is the 2.8K level. Expect some resistances at the current level nga lang, which is the 2.450 and 2.5 level kasi low volume ating breakout and possible na ma-resist yung Bitcoin price, yung Ethereum price natin doon. Now, let's also take a quick look with this possible opportunity, which is yung kay VECHAIN. So right now, VECHAIN has broken out of this 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. If you're going to look back in history, VECHAIN is in a bull market if ever nasa taas tayo ng kanyang 200 moving average. So you would see na in historical data, every time VECHAIN is above the 200 moving average, ayan no, we are above dito. So that's we saw a bull market. Ito din yung isang dip natin. We went up, that's why nag-bull market. And look at this, we still continued the bull market kasi naging support natin yung 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame. And then we entered this brief bear market for the short term or somehow mid-term kay VECHAIN. Makita mo na we were below the 200 moving average. But right now, VECHAIN has flipped bullish above this 4-hour time frame kasi we are above this 200 moving average for the VECHAIN price action. So in this case, I think this is a good opportunity for all VECHAIN holders. I think we are going to see some bullish movements for VECHAIN in the coming days as long as VECHAIN sustain this 200 moving average and somehow yung kanya mga ibang moving average is mag-flip bullish na. At some point, dapat umakit lahat yung mga moving averages niya above the 200 moving average in order to flip bullish. Kasi if you're going to compare this with Ethereum, yung kanyang 200 moving average in the 4-hour time frame, nung nag-flip na si Ethereum above the 200 moving average, that's where we saw na nag-flip bullish na si Ethereum. So hopefully, this would be a good sign then for VECHAIN as we are now seeing a possible bullish movement anytime soon for VECHAIN. So ayun guys, if you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.